relationships that will destroy your life. Hello guys, this is Devashi Dev. Welcome to our new channel Dev Educational Trust. So those people who already know me from my Instagram page at the subconscious point, where I write motivational quotes, those are 100% genuine quote. Link is in the description. If you want, you can check it out. Alright, so today we're gonna talk about relationships that we create in our life. There are so many types of relationships: friends, family, romantic relationships. Other than, there are so many business relationships we create in our life. There are some, but how there are some relationship in those relationships that are meant to destroy us, meant to demoralize us, meant to dominate us. So how you going to recognize them, and how you going to save yourself from those relationships? That's what this video is all about. So stick with me till the end. So without wasting time, let's begin. So the relationships that will destroy your life, these relationships are toxic relationships. Now you must have heard so much about toxic relationships, but what are these toxic relationships, and how will you recognize it, whether you are in a toxic relationship or not? So the first thing, the way you will recognize it, that whether it's a toxic relationship or not, is the toxic relationship is always formed when one or the other individual is a toxic person. So how will you recognize whether the other person is a toxic person or not? The first characteristic of a toxic person is they are highly negative person. They do highly negative talks. They will always discourage you in doing new things in your life. They will always talk negative. They will always talk like a loser. They always talk like it won't be happen. It is not possible. Or they will use no, not, never. They will use this type of words too much. And if that is the case in your life, if there is any friend of yours, or is there any relative, or your even parents, or your romantic partner who talks negative every time, and who didn't encourage you to do anything in a life, then he or she must be a toxic person, and the relationship you have is a toxic relationship. The second characteristic that I'm going to tell you about the toxic people and other toxic relationship is that a toxic person will never allow you to change. They will always try to make you feel the same way that they are. They always try to make you feel sad. They will always try to comment on you. They will always try to taunt you. They will not allow you to change. They will always try to dominate you. So the second characteristic is that they are dominating. A toxic person is highly dominating. The third characteristic in a toxic person is, and trust me, it's my personal experience, they are highly controlling in nature. They always want to control you. They will always try to control you. They will always try to dictate others what they want. They will always try to manipulate people. So if there is anyone in your life who is always dominating in nature, who always dictate others, who always taunt others, who always talk negative, you need to cut them off. So the fourth and the last thing that every toxic person do, it's a universal thing, and that is that they never accept their mistakes. No matter what situation is there, they will always play victim card in front of you. All toxic people plays victim card. They will pretend, even in the worst situation, even the situation that they have done something very wrong, still they will pretend as a victim. Still they will pretend as someone he or she didn't do it intentionally, but it happens. They never gonna accept their own mistakes. They never become responsible for their own mistake. They always put blames on others. They always play victim card. So these are the top 4 characteristics of a toxic person. Now, how to handle these toxic people and how to get out of these toxic relationships? First, those people who didn't watch my previous episode introduction video, I have told you in that video that I was there with a girl for 5 years in a toxic relationship, and I broke it out in January 2020, the miraculous year of my life. Why it was miraculous, I always tell you I will make another video for it. But in January 2020, I broke my 5-year relationship with a toxic girl, and I'm proud that I did it for myself. Until this date, I'm single and independent, and trust me, there is nothing bad in being single. People think that being in a relationship makes you cool, higher your status, but it's not true. It doesn't. It never higher your status. People think that being in a relationship is very important, but it is not. Being in a right relationship is important, not in any relationship. So the toxic relationships in your life will always destroy you. So I broke it out. Trust me, it drastically changes my life. In 2020, I blocked 40 people from my phone number, 40 people from my contact. I deleted their number, I blocked them out. Straight, I didn't give them an explanation. So if there are people in your life who are toxic, who are negative, dominating, controlling, and always play victim card, recognize them and block them out. Strictly cut them out. Don't give any explanation, because no matter what explanation you give, it doesn't matter. They will always play victim card. They will always put that blame on you. They never want to accept it. But if like, it's a personal experience, my dad is a negative person, my dad is a toxic person, but I can't cut him out. So what if your parents are negative? What if your wife is negative? If this is the case where you can't cut people out, whether you can't cut them out from your life, then try to stop sharing your ideas and your dreams and your plans with them. Stop interacting with them too much. Stop being in too much conversation with them. Try to avoid them. Like what I did is that I take another place to live. I just get like 1 to 2 kilometers away from my house, and I take another place on rent and I live there. So if you can do it, do it. And if you can't afford another place to live, or if you can't go to live other place, or if your dad is too strict and you can't handle it, try to make sure that you don't get into a conversation with them. If your mom is negative or dad is negative or your partner is negative, don't share your ideas first. And third thing is that try to confront them. Try to confront toxic people. Tell them that you are toxic if you can. Tell them that you are negative people. Heal yourself up. And if still they didn't, either cut them off or stop interacting with them. So hope you like this video. Hope you like my content which I am creating. So this is Devashidev. We will meet you in next episode. There is so much that I want to tell you in every episode, but what to say, there is so much less time I have in every episode. I will make a part of every episode. So stick with me on this channel. Like it if you like it, share it if it helps you, and subscribe it if it brings change in your life. Alright, so we will meet you in next episode. Till that, stay blessed, stay focused, and keep smiling.